it's Kay in front of the camera this time, all by myself, and I'm showing you how to put together our 12th scale cubed bookcase. So it's one of our little range of standalone 12 scale scenes, and this one is the cube bookcase, and this one has been put together by our Jenny, and you see she's done a fantastic job. And you can also see there's a few of our vases in there, our 3D printed vases, and it's also one of our photo frames, so they're available as well. Okay, so that's from Jenny, and this is one I did, which I just kept it a bit more Scandinavian like. So that's my one there. So it's quite simple. So with just a few ornaments in it. Okay, so that, anyway, so you can decorate it as simply or with as much flourish as you like. So basically it's a cube. So basically you got put these back. So you got back, front and back, and sides. So we'll just put some glue on the innie bits, as we do for most of our stuff, and I'm using our CoolKatz book binding glue, which is a really good PVA glue, and it's just perfect for these projects. You can use a specialist glue, you can use a wood glue, but as long as you've got a good quality glue, you'll be fine. So I'm going to put a little bit of tape on the ends just to keep them in place. As I glue. So this is our soft pour orange tape, repositionable tape, so you can use this time and time again, and it's ideal for putting things like this together because you just put the tape on, it doesn't mark the MDF or leave residue, and it keeps everything in place while the glue sets. So put those together and do both at the same time, because watching me put glue on is a bit boring. So put those together. So also in the kit you get a few faux books, so you can just put your covers on them, so you don't have to make up books all the time, because once they're in the bookcase you won't notice if they're real or not. So just put the top on, the side on, make sure it fits, so you've got a nice 90-degree angle there. Bring up your tape, make sure that's nice, that's it. Get that nice and square. Same on that side. And just tape it into place. And same on this side. Oops. And just wiggle this around and that's it, that's gone into place. Okay, so I'm taking any excess off of my fingers, and I'm going to put a little bit of tape on each corner, just to keep those nice and secure, nice and right angles to each other. Let's bring that around. There we go, and the last one. And then all it needs to do now is put the shelves in. So this one, we put the spine shelf in first, so the one that goes at the back first, so we stick that one in. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue on this side, and that side, and a bit on here, and here, and just put that. Should go in. Right, sometimes if you just turn it around, it will fit in perfectly like that. There you go. So it should be symmetrical, but sometimes just turning it around just helps. Take off any excess glue. And then on these ones here, I was going to go, I'm going to go glue on these sides, which fit on the sides of the bookcase, and just a tiny little bit in the middle. So put a little bit of glue in the middle, that side, and that side. And then just manipulate that in place. It just fits in like that. And that is your square bookcase. It's quite simple. So what to do now is just leave that set for a while, and then you also get a sheet of these, which is your faux books. So you just push those out, and then you can put those into your bookcase as you wish. So they're done to 12 scale. So you just pull out, and then you've got your fake books. Okay, thank you for watching.